Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today our story begins at a very snowy airport. It's the Pulkovo airport in St. Petersburg and I'm flying somewhere. So as you can see, during the winters it's a common practice to wash the wings of the flight with warm water because there's a very deep layer of frost that forms on the plane's wing and it is not ideal for flying. After defrosting, our flight can have a very smooth takeoff, and here is my flight taking off from St. Petersburg on its way to Kazan. Yes, that's right. I am on my way to Kazan from St. Petersburg. On this flight from Smart-Avia, I was lucky enough to get my seat next to the emergency exit, which allowed me a very big leg space. It was pretty luxurious. Now here's a confession. The video that you are watching right now was shot almost a year ago, back in December 2023. But due to my studies and work, I was unable to upload it. But the clips are definitely worth watching. Therefore, finally, I have found the time to edit them and post them on YouTube. I apologize for the delay, but now there will be many videos coming one after the other because I have a lot of clips. So here I am. I reached at the Kazan International Airport in a flight time of about 2 hours and 30 minutes. And right now I'm deboarding this flight going towards my luggage collection area. Now let me tell you the purpose why I am here at the Kazan International Airport. Actually, I'm on my way to Almaty, which is known as the petroleum capital of Russia. Here you can find a lot of petroleum drilling oils and petroleum mines. And I am in this city to attend an international industrial biotechnology conference called BIOCON. In this video, I will be sharing with you all about my journey, my experience, and the fun that I had at BIOCON. Kazan, the capital city of the Republic of Tatarstan and the fifth largest city in entire Russia, is located in the confluence of the Volga and the Kazanka river, covering an area of 425 square kilometers with a population of over 1.3 million residents and up to nearly 2 million residents in the greater metropolitan area. Kazan is renowned for its vibrant mix of Tatar and Russian cultures. In 2023, 4 million tourists visited Kazan, and Kazan Kremlin, which is a World Heritage Site, recorded more than 4.5 million visits. In April 2009, the Russian Patent Office granted Kazan the right to refer to itself as the third capital of Russia. In 2009, Kazan was chosen as the sports capital of Russia, and Kazan hosted the 2013 Summer Universiade and was one of the host cities of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hello everyone, my name is Subrajit Barua and I am a second year PhD student at Biotech in ITMO University, and right now here I am at the Kazan International Airport. I just arrived today from St. Petersburg and now I am waiting for the speaker of BIOCON, Dr. Mirza Hassanuzzaman, who is coming here from Bangladesh, and I am his buddy. So at BIOCON, we students have been assigned to different speakers as buddies, and we will be assisting them throughout the 3 days of the conference and also beyond that. So I am one of those buddies and I am assisting Dr. Hassanuzzaman, who is coming from Bangladesh, and one of the main reasons why I am assigned to him is because I can speak his language, that is Bengali. So guys, right now I am waiting here at the Kazan International Airport. I reached here at 9:30 p.m. Moscow time, and now I'm waiting for Dr. Mirza Hassanuzzaman, who is coming from Bangladesh. He is one of the keynote speakers here at BIOCON 2023. That's the international conference that I am attending. I am a speaker and also a part of the organizing committee, you can say, because I have been assigned the role of a buddy to Dr. Hassanuzzaman. So I'm really excited, and I will share with you guys each and every moment of this international conference. So join me as we explore BIOCON 2023. The wait for Dr. Hassanuzzaman was extremely long. He had to go through a very tremendous immigration process, and he came out and met me at about 2:30 a.m. at night, and then we had a 4-hour drive from Kazan to Almatysk. The car was sponsored by our department at ITMO University, and finally we reached our accommodation, the dorms of Agni, also known as Almatysk Petroleum School or Petroleum University. So this is the campus of Agni University, and I was living in a dorm with my classmate, with my fellow friend from India, Siraj. And as you can see, the entire campus is fully covered with snow. It's December after all. Hello everyone, good morning from Almatysk in the Republic of Tatarstan. I reached here yesterday, and this is the place where BIOCON 2023 is going to take place. It starts tomorrow, 18th of December, Monday. Today is Sunday, 17th of December, and we are involved in the preparations. Today we have some other extracurricular activities like interviews and other meetings, so we are busy with that, and let's see how this entire day goes. Join me for an exciting day here at Almatysk. It was almost time for Christmas. It was 17th of December, and the full city of Almatysk was covered by a very thick layer of snow. But that's the beauty of exploring a small town in Russia, in Kazan, in the Republic of Tatarstan to be very specific, and to experience the chilly winter, and the snowfall is amazing. I headed to a pekarnia. Pekarnia means bakery in Russian, to grab some breakfast, and here we could find some very traditional and special Tatar specialities like samsa and other snacks made from bread, and they were absolutely amazing. So after having breakfast, I headed back to my campus to take a shower and get ready for the practice session. On 17th we had some rehearsals, some interviews, some media works to do, and from 18th to the 20th of December we had our BIOCON International Conference, which was pretty amazing. I had my own presentation on the second day, that is 19th of December. The video of my full presentation has already been uploaded to my YouTube channel. I will link it and also provide the link in the description below for you to head over and watch it fully if you're interested. I talked about space farming, by the way. The day was very pleasant. As you can see, it was a little bit sunny. Luckily there was no heavy snowfall at that time, but yeah, people had to work hard to clean the snow from the streets, otherwise it would be very slippery and very difficult to walk. So this is one of the restaurants where we had our lunch. The lunch was arranged and sponsored by Tatneft, who was the title sponsor of this conference in association with ITMO University, the Department of Biotechnology and Advanced Engineering School. So here you can see the members of the team, persons behind the scenes, as well as the keynote speaker. Here is Dr. Hassanuzzaman, who is having lunch. This is Dr. Kurushkin, who is the dean of our department, and we had such a great time. And here's the stage. We are at the auditorium where the conference is about to be held, and we are going through some practice sessions.
No. Would you probably?
Something special. Queen.
Yeah.
I thought we should decide.
Yes, we decided there is this. You can
Have changed, okay? Анастасия, 4 оставили, 4 поменяли.
The practice session went very well, and after that, we headed over to another restaurant to grab some dinner. The dinner was superb. It was fine dining at its finest. After dinner, we just went to bed and prepared for the next day because it was showtime. Here you can see the arrangements for BIOCON. We had some delicious breakfast, lunch, and dinner options at BIOCON. The stage was set, everything was in its place. We were excited, and thus the show began. Here you can see everyone networking with peers, with experts, and the hall was also starting to fill up. That's the essence of an international conference. I love attending such conferences. It adds so much value into our lives, and I'm very happy to have been to be a part of this conference's organizing team.
Wow, fantastic. It's good to see so many shining faces. Many of you have asked, why in December? You, brave people, abandoned your jobs, your studies, only to travel far away, to defy blizzards and snow, to challenge yourself. To challenge yourself to attend all sessions. There's no doubt you will. Obviously, it's too cold outside to swim and sunbathe. BIOCON is us. Today we all seek for resilience, confidence, empowerment. If not,
Lunch was also arranged by the organizing committee for each and every participant. And for your information, the entire conference was free of cost to attend. There were no registration fee. Isn't that awesome?
Hello, BIOCON. So very good morning, and this morning I want to share you with some ideas about get the field grain due to the high temperature. You can see even they can form the grain, so this will be unfilled or damaged due to the high temperature stress or heat stress. Even you can see that this rice field we observed that we have a collaborative research, and at 38 degrees centigrade, so it showed after 6 hours of stress, we showed that
One keynote after
So now
keynote,
please,
one
dear
presentation
guest
after presentation. Lots of smiles, lots of memories, lots of networking. That's how the 3 days of BIOCON just flew by. We didn't know, we didn't understand how time flew. We came to the end of this extremely successful international conference. BIOCON in its first year absolutely nailed it, with a promise to return every year in the city of Almatyas, or maybe in another city in another country. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe, share with your friends and family, comment what you liked, comment what you feel about these videos, and I'll see you soon in another brand new video. Until then, stay happy and stay healthy.